Hello Automators, today we're setting up the Apple Watch 6. This new watch now has sensors that can measure blood oxygen and provide an ECG anytime. The other big difference from previous models is an enhanced, always-on display that adjusts brightness to make it as visible as possible while outdoors. Let's set it up. Slide the bands into the watch until you hear a click. Then slide the protective cover off of the watch. To set up the watch, you will need the Apple Watch app on an iPhone. An iPad won't work here. To begin, select your language and region on the watch, and follow the prompt to pair with the Apple Watch app. Open the Watch app on your phone, select Setup for Myself, put your Apple Watch on, and hold it in front of your iPhone's camera. This will pair the watch to the phone. Select the wrist you'll be wearing the watch on and wait impatiently for the watch to connect. Next, blindly agree to the terms and conditions and wait for your account to connect. Once the wait is over, you'll need to select your text size and enter a passcode for the watch. Now, we need to set up the activity app for your watch to provide you with health and fitness metrics and to access its activity reminder feature. Enter your information and set a daily goal for calories you'd like to burn and the amount of activity you're hoping to reach. This is also where you'll set up the blood oxygen app to use the new sensors in the watch. Next, we'll be looking at the watch itself. Swipe left or right to scroll and move on the watch face. Tap to select. Press and hold to change the watch face. The digital crown is the top button on your watch. Press it to return to the watch face. The crown is also a scroll wheel, so you can turn it to scroll or zoom. Once it's set up, your watch can be used to control your smart home devices, like Hue bulbs. For more videos on health automation, follow this link to a playlist. Thanks for watching.